Hey, what's up? Your second lesson is ready. So tap here to get started. If you like the lesson, remember to give it a thumb up, like and subscribe for more amazing content. Are you ready for epic action? Yalla go.
Okay, Krita can go because you don't need it anymore. Go ahead and close it and be sure to save your work. Open up Blender. Click on the plus, find video editing, go to video editing. This is the default workspace Blender provides where you can edit your footage. You can customize it as you see fit to your heart content, but I will give you even a better workspace to make your life easier. Because I imagine you're excited and I don't want to bog you down with technical jargon, I have taken the liberty of creating this workspace just for you. Imported to get this versatile workspace instantly. No configuration hassle. Don't worry, it's easy. All you have to do is download the workspace file from the description box, double click, and voila! Awesome! Now you got yourself an amazing video editor, 100% free because it's open source. So, how do you start? Go to Add, Movie. Find the outline and color animation clips that you created in the previous lesson, and I want you to import both, one at a time. Now, can you guess what is the correct order? Is it color, then outline, or the other way around? What do you think? I'll give you a small hint. Think about the last whiteboard animation you saw, or if you want to cheat a bit, why not look up some on YouTube? Pause the video now and give it a go. How did you get on? Select outline. Next, add your color footage. Clips are always added at whatever your timeline cursor is. When you added the outline, Blender inserted it snugly against the beginning. Make sure the outline clip is selected. Check your mouse cursor is floating over here, not anywhere else. Press page up to snap your cursor to the clip's end. Add movie. And this time, pick your color footage. Making sure this one is still selected. Page down to snap to the start. Let's take a look at how your video looks so far. The shortcut is space. Obviously far from perfect, that is because the flow is in the wrong direction and speed doesn't sound quite right. Don't worry, you will fix these in no time. Let's start with direction. It's really simple. Select outline clip. Make sure the strip tab is active, not these. Scroll down to video. Click here to expand. Tick reverse frame. Pretty neat, isn't it? Repeat the same for color. Brilliant! So far so good. It's time to export your work so you can see your final result. First, you must set the start and the end point. Start is fine, but not the end. Because as you can see, the end point is way to the end of Earth. Right now, that is a hell of 15 hours documentary and has fair share of black space. So Unless you're confident you can sell this junk, skip ahead to how to render timeline. If not, stick around to find out. You still there? Then let me show you how to set the endpoint. There are two easy ways. Bring the cursor where you want to set your endpoint. Hit page up to snap. Okay, there is unwanted blank space. Drag it teeny bit, or press left key couple of times to nudge it a bit. Doesn't have to be precise. Double check your cursor is here. Again, not here. Hit Ctrl plus End. And there you go. All you have to do now is hit the produce or render button. Click this tab. It looks like a printer icon. You can tell this is the production tab or the output section. So the next time you scratch your head, where the hell is that damn production setting? Think printout. Here is the resolution, frame rate, rest is fine. And these are bitrate and codec settings I'm using. I use these in all my videos, including this amazing lesson you're watching right now. Guaranteed professional results when you use it. Increase the bitrate here if you crave for more anytime. If you find any of these missing or look different, it's rare, but if it happens, copy these. Next, set your destination folder, because this is where Blender will place your finished MP4 file. When you're ready, and I'm sure you're itching to take action, go to Render, Render Animation, or press Ctrl plus F12. Congratulations, it wasn't so hard, wasn't it? Don't share just yet, because in the next and final episode, you'll learn how to make the real magic happen.
So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be immediately notified when it comes out. That's it for now. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.